Donaldson grew up in Greenville, North Carolina. He began posting videos to YouTube in early 2012 at the age of 13 under the handle Mr. Beast 6000. His early content ranged from Let's Plays to videos estimating the wealth of other YouTubers. He went viral in 2017 after his Counting to 100,000 Inches video earned tens of thousands of views in just a few days, and he has become increasingly popular ever since, with most of his videos gaining tens of millions of views. His videos, typically involving challenges and giveaways, became increasingly grand and extravagant. Once his channel took off, Donaldson hired some of his childhood friends to co-run the brand. As of 2022, the MrBeast team is made up of 30 people, including Donaldson himself. Do you want to know more about MrBeast? Click my bio to find out more about MrBeast and do subscribe to my channel. See you.